people. I mean, really, like, why do you go up there? I mean, isn't it hot? And you know Randy's gonna bring you out, like, every single Sunday. Hey, balcony people, you still with me? I mean, is it because you're late? You think it's because, I bet it's because they're late.
I think so, or I think it's because maybe they were just a little too tired. So, you know, that's the good nap spot up there. None of us downstairs can see.
Exactly, exactly. And so, you know, y'all need to come and join us downstairs.
Exactly.
It's cooler down there. Randy doesn't tend to bring you out as much.
No.
As for the sleeping, I mean, it's really a good message. You should try it. And you know, you got this, balcony people. Join us.
You can do it. Come
Set
downstairs.
those watches earlier.
I mean, I just don't get it. Like, those balcony people, like, all those stairs. Like, it's the day of rest.
Gosh. Gross. Ugh.
So, typical balcony people.
The balcony people go to heaven, Mommy.
You know, baby, I just don't know. We may have to ask Pastor Randy.